विद्यासुरम्यं विशालं प्रकाश
सुरससुबोधा विश्वमनोज्ञा ललितरीत्या रमणीया अमृतवाणी संस्कृत भाषा नैव क्लिष्टा न च कठिना। सुप्रभातम सर्वे, आप सभी का आज के संस्कृत दिवस में हार्दिक स्वागत है। तो आज हम मनाने वाले हैं संस्कृत दिवस और सबसे पहले हम सभी ऋषि मुनियों का आशीर्वाद लेते हैं जिससे संस्कृत की शुरुआत हुई थी। आइए उन्हें वंदन करें। माता सरस्वती, आदि शंकराचार्य, महर्षि वेदव्यासः, महर्षि वाल्मीकिः, आचार्य कणादः, महर्षि पाणिनिः, महर्षि पतंजलिः, महर्षि सुश्रुतः, महर्षि आर्यभट्टः, महाकवि कालिदासः।
Sanskrit Day. This day is celebrated since 1969 to keep the language and spirit alive. We SMBPians have decided to step up and bring the ancient language to the front line, for which various of competitions were organized by the Sanskrit department. Here are a few glimpses.
मनुष्य एक सजीव है और हर एक जीव भोजन या ऊर्जा के लिए दूसरे किसी प्राणी पर निर्भर होता है। जैसे कि पौधे से शुरू होने वाला कर्म जिसमें हिरण पौधे पर निर्भर होती है और शेर हिरण पर। तो कुछ इस प्रकार की प्रक्रिया चलती रहती है। तो आज हमारे साथ 5वीं कक्षा के छात्र हैं जो हमें प्राणियों के बारे में कुछ संस्कृत में बताना चाहेंगे।
सदा रक्षणीयं प्रियं भारतं सदा रक्षणीयम्।
There are many things in our daily routine that we come across to fulfill our basic needs. It would be more fascinating if we speak about them in Sanskrit. Here we have the students of Standard 6 who would be giving us more information about this.
My name is Animesh Prusset. I am in 6 Diamond. Etat Durdarshanam Asti. Etat Vyajanam Asti. Yatra Devasthanah Asti. Tatra Pustakani Santi. Etat Kandukam Asti.
There are some of the phrases from the Sanskrit verses which are used as mottos. This is compiled from various sources and there are even more. Symbols facilitate communication and identification of ideas and concepts based on their representation. Slogan is a memorable motto used in political, commercial, and religious context. There are many slogans in Sanskrit depicting our Indian mythology and culture. For example, LIC, which is an insurance corporation, and Doordarshan, which is a public service broadcaster. To make you know about some more Sanskrit slogans, the students of class 7 will be showing you their work.
वयं भारतीयाः स्वभूमिं नमामः परं धर्ममेकम्।
नमस्ते, वेलकम, सुस्वागतम। आज संस्कृत दिन के शुभ अवसर पर मैं आपके सामने एक संस्कृत संबंधित रोमांचक तथ्य पेश करना चाहूँगा। क्या आप जानते हैं, अगर आप संस्कृत भाषा में वार्तालाप करते हैं तो आप अपने आप को कम शब्दों में व्यक्त कर सकते हैं। जानकर आश्चर्य हुआ, है ना? हमारे साथ और रोमांचक तथ्यों का साझा करने आ रहे हैं कक्षा 8वीं के विद्यार्थी। तो चलिए तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के साथ इनका स्वागत करते हैं।
Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you a fact about Sanskrit. That fact is more than 75% of languages have influence of Sanskrit in them because it is the most oldest, the most purest and the most systematic language in this world.
Sanskrit is the only language which alerts all the nerves of your tongue and also increases concentration.
Sanskrit is not only about literature and shlokas but also science. For example, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration or NASA describes Sanskrit as the most scientific language which can even be used in computer softwares. Amazing, right? There are a lot such relations between science and technology and Sanskrit. Here we have the students of grade 10 who have mixed a bit art with these relations to make colorful posters. So let's have a look at some of them.
सदा दर्शनीयम्
just chant simple Gayatri mantra, the alchemy of Sanskrit language is how calm you feel. There is no part of Sanskrit language that actually isn't used for anything. Peace of mind, concentration of mind, Sanskrit language helps in almost everything from improving one's pronunciation. At the same time, all parts of Sanskrit literature help us in our day-to-day life. For example, Bhagavad Gita, in which Lord Krishna instructs Arjuna on his life problems, also proves to be beneficial for us in our day-to-day life. Similarly, yoga is the thing that keeps you away from all ailments and makes you healthy. Due to these, other countries besides India have already started studying Sanskrit and its literature. So why should we Indians lag behind? We should study Sanskrit as our own language, but also for the benefits that come along with it. It would truly be great to see a day in which most of the Indian people speak Sanskrit language fluently as they speak their mother tongue. So, on today's occasion, I request you all on behalf of SNBP International School Chikhli to take a step forward and help in the revival of Sanskrit and its rich heritage. Thank you.
सुधीरा जना यत्र युद्धेषु वीरा शरीरार्पणेनापि रक्षन्ति देशम् स्वधर्मानुरक्ता सुशीलाश्च नार्यः प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा श्लाघनीयम् प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा श्लाघनीयम्